Going beaning in the nighttime. I'm trying to find my truck. Where's my dump truck? Ah, there's my grain cart. And that's full. And there's the dump truck. See. Oh, we do got a cab light. Good deal. And that'd be a wrap. We're all done. And there goes the 100 bales of straw. 70 on the truck and 30 on the flatbed truck. Well, I don't know exactly how this is gonna go loading this stuff out. What I'm thinking about doing is maybe scooching that over a little bit when I get my spreader in here, coming in here, getting this stuff out here, then kind of mixing it in with that stuff there, and then I could throw it in the spreader so that way it's all just not running all over the place. Need a little bit of juice this morning. Get the blood a-flowing. It's a good thing I emptied trash cans on Mondays, because Tuesdays are trash days around here. I was just getting ready to wash the old girl, and I was like, well, it's the oil pump. I reached out to somebody who's got a 675B, same thing. He's like, yeah, it's your oil pump not making oil pressure at idle. So after what, about 15 years or so working for Dad, that light has never come on at idle until now. But you know what, it's got what, 4,000 plus engine hours on it. We'll go ahead and look here in a minute. I just thought I would go ahead and wash the thing up, because it's the right thing to do after you get done playing in the dirt and manure. So Dad's taking a 7810. I don't know where he's going, and Jason went to go plant the wheat, and I'm here washing my skid loader. So that decal decided it wanted to fall off. What I'm thinking is, let the thing dry. I don't know how it stayed intact, but thinking maybe let the thing dry and then just start at one corner and put silicone, and then just stick it right where it's supposed to go on that loader. And then it won't fall off anymore. That thing never was right from the first day we put it on. Nah, I'll get it figured out. Just, oh man, I could almost stick that thing right now, but the decal's not dry. That's the only downfall. It goes right in the middle of where that hood or that handle is. Oh, probably gotta make sure this thing's got fuel in it. So, I'd like to know what this truck was used for previously when we bought it. Because it has these ladder racks on it, okay? It's got one here. It's got one up there, okay? So, we got fuel? Yes, we got fuel. Good. I think it was used as a ladder truck or something, but then you can see right here in the floor, well, yeah, right here, there was angle iron welded here to the bottom of the bed. Okay, you can see where we cut it out, and it ran all the length of the bed. The crane was here. So I think maybe the truck was used for a tire, as a tire truck for a service company, tire company. But then again, why would they need ladder racks on the side of the truck? Oh, maybe somebody out there in the YouTube world knows what this truck did its whole life before we got it. It does just fine for what we need. Get the lockable doors. You can just run, there's a rod that runs right down through. You can lock them, or you can lock them individually. We just do it with the rod. Rod flips up, locks all doors, and just makes life easy. It's a 2015 Ram 5500. It does okay. It's not a Chevy though. Wrenches, toolbox, and that box there have lubricants, PB blaster, brake clean, glass cleaner, things like that. That one, drill, impact gun, battery DeWalt gun, extra batteries, grinder, sledgehammer, welder, the leads, and jumper cables. Okay, then the crane stuff, rigging, chains back there, nuts and bolts, and grease gun assortments in here. Then this is your oil, or oils, hydraulic oil, antifreeze, you know, soap, regular water to wash hands with, and that kind of stuff, funnels. And then in here is the tire stuff, extra cheetah, blow nozzles, extra adapter for the gun, for the for the big air hose down to a standard, and air compressor up top, torch tanks, ladder, and all the goodies there. So yeah, we have arrived out at the field. Put my belongings in here and get my machine checked over. Let's see, does this thing need fuel? Nope, we're good. Good on that.
Shut that off or what?
We don't have no power. Oh, you know what?
What?
You can't run both at the same time.
Oh, well then just wait.
That's right. Why does that fuel keep shutting off?
You son of a bitch.
A little bit over here yet to finish. Opened her up last night. Then we got all that over there, 60 plus acres. Then we got all that over there to do. So we'll be here for a little while. Well, I guess a good problem is I'm full and waiting on truck. Need just a little bit more for a semi, and then he'll send him on his way. These beans are coming off good. Probably 70, 80 bushel beans. You know, I was just looking at that, all that dust coming out of the back end of that machine. I'm thinking, man, thing sure takes in a lot of grain to make so much dust. We're just that dry. Well, I thought he was gonna need to dump in me, but apparently not. So guess we'll just go on over here, at least back there, because when he gets full we dump going this way. There's always a method to how you do things. Right, wrong, or indifferent. It's a good thing I came down here. We're gonna be needing to unload. So what I do is I come in here, right up here. That way he can just come on right alongside me and start to unload.
You gotta get closer.
Worst thing you can have is a full grain hauling device and no truck to be seen in sight. Well, that's a problem. How much dust can a 35-foot grain platform make, or a 30-foot grain platform make? Ugh. Yuck. Pete, we might have a bad problem on our hands.
What's that?
We might have your combine full and we'll both be sitting waiting on a truck.
Nah, he should be back.
Okay. Should be back and will be back are three different things.
Give me a break, dude. I had to go get coffee for me.
Where you at, Johnny?
I'm on Mom right now.
I figured I could hear you.
See, I figured he'd be back. I ain't running off with the truck. Dad's got a tracker on this thing.
Oh, does he?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a tracker on all of us.
Yeah, it's that thing in the windshield.
If I wanted to run off, I'd have to do it by foot. And I'm a truck driver, and the car just ain't matching right. I'd be with it by the time I got 40 feet.
I heard it. Oh. Tell you what, these Unidens get out better than them Cobras do any day of the week. They sure do, buddy. Where, oh, where is my semi-truck? Oh, where can he be? Oh, there he is down there. Welcome back.
I knew you'd miss me, Travis.
I sure did.
Lose the moisture, Johnny.
Oh no, I hate when you gotta back up. Nope. I had faith in you that you'd get it. There's my truck. He can keep good time.
Hang on a second, Pete. I'll grab you that in a second once I get this thing moving around.
Ooh, I hope I'm not too close. Nope. He knows what he's doing. That's good. Sounds sweet. You guys ought to hear that thing go down the road. That thing is sweet with them taller tips on it compared to the other ones. Brown noser. He's gonna take him a coffee. He's gonna dump in the truck. Well, then I better be moving away from the truck. We all gonna screw with each other. If we don't, what's the point of coming to work? Or I should say, if we can't mess with each other, what's the point of showing up? I better not park here. 'Cause as soon as he gets Johnny full, he's getting out of here. I got a little time to kill. I know it's not no hopper bottom trailer, but it's nice to be able to go from gravel hauler to grain hauler without having to jump trucks. All tarped. And away he goes. If I was more trusting of these GoPros, I'd let him take it to Deerfield with him. Maybe I'll see if he wants to do that. Thing sounds sweet. Need to bring the water truck out here and water this. Man. Dusty, dirty, grimy. making it. Ah, truck driver got stopped by train. Oh well. Hey, hey, hey. It's Johnny. I got a feeling I need to pull up some for him to get in. That's good. Actually, I need to. There, that's better. Got the auger out. I'm full. Waiting. Oh, yeah. Life is good.
I don't know. I mean,
I have never in my life
it was right at 6.
seen
Are they
beans
busy there?
this dusty in my life.
I don't know. Ish. That'll make us 37 after this load. We got 2,000 bushel left out there. I don't know. It's possible they're going long roads from now on. I've been doing short roads. I don't think I got any trucks at home either we could fill for the night. Well, I have a feeling as soon as the sun goes down it'll be tough anyhow. Yeah, I'm sure. His moisture was 13.4 on that last load. Yeah, I'm telling you, these stocks are barely right. Went down a whole percent between loads. It was 14.4 on the load before.
There it is. Just like clockwork. Stab the brakes. Get that load shuttled, shifted down, and be good. Didn't get the camera out quick enough to see him go by. Got just that little bit to do yet, and then we'll move across the road. And there I is waiting. It's almost quitting time for Deerfield, so I can understand everybody's trying to get there at the last minute.
And you gotta finish all that plus the railroad tracks. You know, that little triangle.
That's not good.
Oh, well, that's pretty good then.
That's not bad.
2,500 bushel when the semi's full that you've taken off this field.
Wow. That's not bad at all.
Or a lot more out of here. Oh, well, we'll have that.
The sun's getting ready to go down.
Yeah, you might hit your 70. Come up here and dump that in. Once rather just sit there and twiddle your thumbs.
Well, that one's going out west tomorrow. So, yeah. Put her back in gear and we'll get with it. So is it just me, or is anybody else experiencing lingering dust like this? It's new to me. Look at them nice LED lights. Them things sure are bright. Aw, them are nice LED lights somebody put on this tractor and that combine. Well, I think we'll be able to finish them tonight. Oh, heck yeah. What the heck's up with these lights? Huh. Oh well. It is what it is. So, not that I really need fuel, but I'm going to top this thing off anyhow. So that way it's done, it's over with, and we can start tomorrow anew. No, that's what I wanted. I want the light, because I need to be able to see what the heck I'm doing. It's always a good idea to lock your cab when you are leaving the tractor unattended. Dang, the combine must not have took an awful lot. Jeez. Surprised this thing still got fuel in it. Well, we are empty. Good deal. Well, not empty, the tractor's full of fuel. That's what I meant. Remember some frickin' bright LEDs. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you cold-blooded bitch. There's some light. See what we're doing?